Mr. Chair, member for the office body. So regarding your question po, Your Honor, kung magkano po yung ating cold storage. So, yung total cost po niya, Your Honor, ay 101 million. So, yung pondo po nito, Your Honor, ay nakuha po natin sa it's a World Bank funded, Your Honor, under the Philippine Rural Development Project of the DA, whereas the provincial government has a counterpart of 20% of the total cost, which amounts to more than 20 million, Your Honor.
So, was the grant coming from the Philippine Rural Development Project has already been turned over to the province of Ilocos Norte?
Not yet, Mr.
Will be eventually turned over for this project, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Your Honor.
How can are we 100% sure that this grant will be given priority for the multi-purpose water people? How 100% sure are we? Did they give a certification already that this is for this project on this area and this is a priority project, Mr. Chair?
Your Honor, we can be assured 100% that the grant fund from the World Bank is for the construction of oil cold storage, Your Honor, because we are targeting this third week of February to present our proposal to the Regional Project Advisory Board, Your Honor. So, after po their approval, magbibigay na po sila ng go signal or certification na it's already approved. Yes po, Your Honor. And then, Your Honor.
The funds are available. They will give
Yes, Your Honor.
application.
Yes po. Available na po, Your Honor.
May I just ask Mr. Chairman, the good resource speaker, our agriculturist, provincial agriculturist, if is onion the primary part produce of Bacara, Mr. Chairman?
Yes po, Your Honor.
So Bacara is an onion producing town, not rice.
They have also rice, Your Honor, but in terms of production of high-value crops, onion is one of their prime commodity in terms of high-value crops, Your Honor.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. That's all for my question.
Mr. Chair, just to clarify again, to continue with the question. This resolution is a resolution authorizing the Honorable Governor for the contract of lease. However, I am just wondering why we already included the co-management if it is just a contract of lease. That is one of my questions. Secondly, since it was brought up by the good gentleman from Pagudpag earlier, we would like to see this co-management if possible. How is it done? What is the cost sharing? What is our part? And another question po, is stated here that this is an onion cold storage facility. So being such, does this mean it is not possible to use it for other crops? Kahit yun po muna, tanong ko lang po yun. Can we not use this for other crops? If I may ask, sir.
Your Honor, regarding po yung question po niyo, we can use the cold storage for other crops. Maybe, Your Honor, tapos na po yung pag-store natin ng onion, which is 5 months, pwede na rin po natin siyang i-maximize for the other crops, Your Honor. But from the proposal, Your Honor, ay yung na-consider po talaga na main commodity to be stored in the facility is the Onion, Your Honor.
To add lang, Mr. Chair, while I understand that the lease contract normally it is better na ganito na may nakalagay na ng turnover in case the term ends. However, nakalagay po kasi dito, shall be transferred to the lessor subject to mutually agreed terms at the time of turnover. So, just for clarification po, yung mutually agreed terms lalabas pa lang po pag ita-turn over na yung facility from national to us or from us to Bacara Multi-Purpose Cooperative. And kasi nakalagay, subject to mutually agreed terms at the time of turnover. So, ano po kaya ang mga mutually agreed terms? Kailan po kaya lalabas to? Ano po yung turnover? And at the same time, this one actually I'm not sure. So maybe it would also be a good thing to ask to my fellow Sanggunian. Shall we transfer to the lessor? Hindi po ba pagdating sa time na yan, kailangan ulit ng bagong Sanggunian panlalamigan na ordinance? Kasi transferring of facility. Pwede po ba ito na sa initial agreement pa lang nandun na po? For legality purposes lang po para sure tayo.
Mr. Chair, not to be specific, Mr. Chair, as to the co-management agreement, yes, it is mentioned here that all the roles, responsibilities, and any revenue sharing arrangement shall be outlined as separate co-management agreement. But as to the queries of the Honorable Gentleman from Lawag City, the fact that this measure only speaks about the contract of lease. He said all the storage plan is not yet turned over to the Bacara Multi-Purpose Cooperative is for the reason that it is not fully utilized yet.